Okay, we're working on Fido packet 18, and we're going to do page 1. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to have you read the question, or I'll read it, and then you need to pause the video, find the answer in the story, write the page number, and then I'll show you what you need to write. Okay, so again, I'll read it, you pause the video, you find the answer in the story, you write the page number, then I'll show you the answer and you can write the answer I have. Okay? Pause whenever you need to. I'm not going anywhere. All right, number 1. The narrator thinks the neighborhood dogs provide boring material. Support this thinking with 2 details from the text. Okay, so pause the video, find it, touch it, then when you're ready, turn it on and you'll see the answers. All right. For number 1, you should have found page 544. I highlighted it in pink for you. And then when you go to write, you're going to write this. You may have found a different one, which is also fine, but because I can't check your work, we're going to write the answers down from my page. Okay? All right, so there you go. And the answer that I have is... The neighbors responded to his interview that all their dogs do is sleep, eat, and bark at the mailman. When he asked what they thought the dogs would say if they could talk, the neighbors answered, "Feed me, play with me." And again, that was what I highlighted in pink in the book. Okay, now we're moving on to question 2. Question 2. Make an inference. What do you think the soldiers took such tender care of the living puppy? Why do you think the soldiers took such tender care of the living puppy? Find your source, touch it, pause, and then look at the answers. Okay? So, number 2. Number 2, right there highlighted, and it should be on page 545. And here we go with the answers. Let me slide it down. There could be many answers, but again, since I can't check yours, we'll stick with mine. So you want to write, pause the video and write what I have here. Okay, and the answer: they had seen so much death and destruction that it was encouraging to have something to care for. The dog was a survivor, and it was rewarding to care for a living, breathing animal. All right, moving on to question 3. Question 3. The reader could draw the conclusion. BJ easily adapted to life with the soldiers. Support this conclusion with 3 details from the text. Again, pause, find it, write the page number, and then wait. And question 3, right there highlighted, page 545. And you're going to write... Oh, hold on. I'm a little slow at this. He went wherever they went. He slept in the foxholes and traveled on barren, burnt land. BJ helped search the rubble for signs of life. What an amazing dog, right? All right, and over here to the last one, question 4. The narrator states, I was 9 years old and delighted by the addition of the wire-haired schnauzer. How does she show her delight? Find it in your book. And it should be page 546. I highlighted it. And up here you could write, she gave him loving attention. She brushed him, put ribbons on his collar, took him for walks, and read to him. All right, class, well done.